Hi guys, it's Ben from Heirloom Pianos again. Good news, we have a progress update on the Yamaha GH1B. So I was very busy this weekend doing the restringing of the piano. So far we have replaced the full set of strings, plain wire and the copper windings, the copper wound bass strings. The piano has been rescaled, and the main reason for that is that traditionally this model here, GH1B, has quite a poor transition from the tenor section here through to the bass section here. So what we've done is we've added an additional number of wound bass string bichords to the lower transition point, and that should allow for a much smoother transition. In terms of how the piano actually sounds at the moment, it's pretty ghastly just because I've only put one tuning on it. So it's literally just been restrung, and it's going to take at least 3 to 4 to 5 rough tunings to become stable. In terms of the work, we've also replaced the entire set of Agraffes. So they're looking nice and tidy in alignment with the strings, which is good. The pins are all looking tidy. There's a couple of little adjustments I'll need to make. So some of the coils are sitting a little bit low, so I'll have to pull those up, but that's kind of more of a fine end adjustment. And also, if you have a look at the old hammer line, the position of the new strings is actually adjustable. So this little V bar here, we will basically just move the strings left to right so that they work to the old parameters of the hammers. We're replacing the hammer assembly with a new set that's coming from America. That's just held up in customs. And also we, as you've no doubt noticed, the piano has no dampers, so we're going to be replacing those with a new set of Tequila dampers as well, so that will be nice. I'll give you an update when the piano is nearly finished, but other than that, we'll see you then. Take care.